Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to model this uh, watch, Rolex watch in Maya. I am going to model it and also going to texture it. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So here is our final render. This is our final render. See this. This is our watch model in Maya. I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more modeling videos like this and also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.